guys, welcome back. Today I have a quick mascara Monday for you. I just picked up the new Nars Climax Mascara at my local Ulta, and I am excited to try this. I don't normally pick up high-end mascaras because I feel like there are so many good ones at the drugstore, but something about this just jumped out at me. Maybe it was the bright red packaging. It might have also been because I've never tried a Nars mascara before, and I do really like them as a brand, so it's just more curiosity than anything else. I don't know, I just have to try every new mascara that comes out on the market. I just am a sucker for mascaras in general. So anyway, let me read you some of the details of this, then I'll do an application, and then I'll just go about my day, do a little bit of a wear test, and then let you know at the end of the day how it wore. It is super humid and raining outside today, so I think it'll be the perfect true test on how this is going to hold up. So let's get into the details really quickly. On the Ulta website, it says, reach your climax with explosive volume building mascara. Lash Moisture Complex in Nars Climax Mascara allows for a whipped, creamy formula that lifts and builds without clumping or smudging. Lashes feel soft, never heavy or stiff. The exclusive full-bodied brush has ribbed bristles that capture and coat each lash for an instant intense effect. Blackened pigments are smoothly wrapped from root to tip, for rich color and bold dimension. So the claims are that volume reaches its peak with breakthrough innovation. 96% achieved full and maximum volume. 96% saw buildable volume that is clump free, and 100% saw instant visible base to tip curl. So let's go ahead and give this a shot and see what happens. I'm not wearing any other eye makeup, so that way you guys can really get a good look at what my lashes look like. Alright, so here's what it looks like with one eye done. And first of all, I forgot to show you guys the brush. This is what it looks like. It's just more of a fluffy wand. It's one of the softer bristle brushes versus those hard plastic ones. So here's a bit of a close-up so you guys can really see the difference. What I really like about this mascara is that it definitely gives me softer, more fluffy lashes, and I do see some nice length and volume in here as well. But usually with formulas like this that are not clumpy, they don't give like a ton of volume and length, but I feel like this one really does give a nice effect, and it's a little bit more dramatic than some of those other more natural looking mascaras. All right, so both eyes are done, and I am really loving this formula right off the bat. I think it gives those really nice soft and fluffy lashes, but also tons of length and volume, which is very rare to find in a mascara. So this is really the best of both worlds right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go about my day, run my errands. I'm definitely gonna be heading out into the rain and the nasty weather, so I'm praying that this one does not smudge under my eyes. So many of them do, so I will report back later on in the day for my final check-in. Alright guys, it's about 7 p.m., roughly 8 hours since I applied the mascara, and I have to say it's looking great still. I can't say the same for my hair because I got caught in a downpour on the way from the grocery store to my car. So anyway, my mascara didn't run, it didn't smudge, it looks wonderful, and also it kept a curl all day, which is amazing because I feel like a lot of formulas tend to like weigh your lashes down throughout the day and you lose that curl, but I mean they still look really nice and curled up just like when I applied it. So I think it does a really good job with that. If you like a heavier, more clumpy, super voluminous look to your lashes, you're probably not going to like this one. But if you're like me and you do like a more of a separated, more fluffy look to your lashes, but also you still want that length and volume and you tend to shy away from the ones that are a little bit more natural looking, I think this is the perfect in-between. I think it's a great formula, and I'm also definitely impressed with the wear time. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you'll be notified of future videos. I upload several times a week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.